Hey there, fashion bosses. How are you doing today? Welcome to today's class. My name remains Faith Abraham, Creative Director of Fashion Boss Innovations Academy. In today's class, we are going to be learning how to fix a pocket on a pencil skirt. You can use this method both on a pencil skirt, a trouser, a dress, and whatever. So this is my pencil skirt. It is already made. Okay, it's ready to go. Okay, so I turned it into the inner part. Okay, because we need to measure from a particular place. Okay, but I have to turn it back again so that we can see the parts we want to measure properly. But before we go into this, I encourage you to subscribe if you have not. Tap on the bell to get notification each time we drop new video. Okay, so from the waistband, we come down by 2.5 inches. Okay, you come down by 2.5 inches. And then from the 2.5 inches, you
2.5
measure
inch. And then from
6
this 2.5 inch, we're
inches
going to come down by how many?
downward.
Exactly. So it's just to show them. Sure. I do the same on the other side. 2.5 and 6. So that is where the hand is going to enter. We fold and keep. So we're going to be cutting the 4 pockets together. So it's usually 2. Yeah. So it means we need 4 of it. Where is the small ruler to mark my starting line? I'm reaping the others that promised me. So those are just my starting lines. So I measure 8 inches, 8 inches upward. 8 inches upward, 8 inches. So we are looking for 8 inches invariably. 8 inches here. This way. I still do 8 inches here. And then I'll connect. Oh no, the heat's not that fast. So I'll connect my lines. Okay, hope you understand it. So inside this 8 inches now, we are going to come in by 1 inch. Come in here by 1 inch. And then come in here by 1 inch. So what is remaining here is 6 inches. The same 6 inches that we have in the skirt. And then we are going to connect with a circle. So I can just come up here by 1. And then I'll connect. Give me pattern ruler. So I came up here by 1. I also come to this angle and I'll come by 1. I'll grab my pattern master and then I'm going to connect. Are you getting it? I come here and then I also connect into this one. It's coming into, right? So we are going to cut it off. Is that my fault? Okay, so this is what we have. Oh, that one is good. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is for the 2 sides of the skirts. This is for this side, and then okay, this is for this side, both side of the skirts. Okay, so we're going to go to the machine. So do the sewing tutorial. So this is the cutout pocket, right? So you can either weave it if you have your weaving machine, or you can turn it inside out like this. You can turn it inside out like this and sew on the edge and turn it inside back. This is the back side. Give me chalk. Okay, so the essence is to have a neat finishing. Or you can use your bias to lock it. Do you understand? Bring them like this one now. This is one of them. Oh Jesus. See how neat this one is looking. I use the bias to lock it. So anyone that is convenient for you. So but for now we are going to use the bias to lock it. But before using the bias to lock it, I'll just, okay, so I'll fold it into two like this, okay, and measure 5 inch, 0.5 inch, and then I'll just make a little notch on the 0.5 inch, cut it out like this, and then I open it and sew. So I will just run a loose stitch just to hold it two piece down a little before using the bias. So you see the stitch did not start from this, it didn't start from the incision. So I'm going to use my bias to finish it up. I took this away. So I'm getting here now. I will take this off and add my bias there. You don't necessarily have to use bias. You can just overlock it, which is weaving, or sew it and turn it inside out. But I think I like the one with bias, it's fine. It adds beauty to it. So we've already measured our 6 inches. You remember? So we are going to lose that point. Razor. That lady that I was using now, he has fallen to the floor, so that I'll be looking for him up and down. So we've already backstitched it there before. So this is what's up. There's the space that we left. So connect inside out. Then we'll take our pockets. Open it like this. First of all, fix the one to these parts. If you fix the one to these parts, first of all, fix the one to this part basically. So you position it like this. That's why you measured and you notched out your 0.5 so that you don't close it with your bias. So I'll pin. Then come to the other side. This is the other side. Just place it here. Turn it. Like this. And then you still sew from here. That's the Turn it. This is it.